many people think that a U.S. citizen and a citizen of the USA is the same thing. Many people think that U.S. is just an abbreviation for USA. We have every right to be citizens of the National Republic. But we don't have to be citizens of the corporation called the United States. The 14th Amendment provides citizenship as a corporation of the United States. The 14th Amendment has nothing to do with citizenship in the United States of America, because prior to 1868 and the ratification of the 14th Amendment, there was citizens. Whatever the prophet tells us, since the laws of 1774 declared all men free and equal, and since these laws have never been changed, there's no need for the application of the 14th Amendment. We also got to remember this. Citizenship in any territory is voluntary. That's not the way they are playing it in America today. They're forcing U.S. citizenship.